We have many operators like Windows, Mac OS, Android, Kali Linux, iOS, and so on. You can't use Android app in Windows and can't also use Windows software on an Android device. If you want to use the Android app in the window, you need to install an Android emulator to work. Vice versa, to run Windows software on an Android device we need an emulator. That is how does the emulator work generally. Termux is an Android terminal emulator and Linux environment application. This is the terminal of Kali Linux OS. Termux is an Android version. It works similarly like Kali Linux's terminal, it has no root requirement. It works in both rooted and non-rooted Android devices. It's not available on iOS yet. Termux will help for hacking purposes. Like we install apps from the Play Store or websites, we will install powerful and useful tools in Termux. To apply these tools, we need to know basic commands. First, download the Termux app from the Play Store. Get permission by typing this commands. Press enter. Now type apt update to update the list of available packages. apt stands for Advanced Package Tool. This is a command line utility for installing, updating, removing, and otherwise managing deb packages on Termux. After updating the available packages, you need to upgrade or install newer versions of these. So type apt upgrade. You need to understand between these commands, apt update and apt upgrade. apt update is updating the list of available packages that will not install packages. apt upgrade installs newer versions of the packages you have, after updating the available packages. Now I think you may understand clearly. If you don't get it, watch again carefully. You can see here Y/N. Y and N stands for yes and no. To continue installation, type Y. But what are packages? Packages are compressed files that come with the Termux tools. Termux does not support the use of packages from the Debian, Ubuntu and other Linux distribution repositories. So don't try to put these into your sources. N for default. Press enter. The main Termux repository does not include located packages that were requested for various reasons. Now let's try to install unstable packages. To install these packages, type pkg install unstable repo. Like this, to install other packages, just type pkg install package name. You can use apt instead of pkg. They are similar. But Termux strongly recommend using a pkg utility instead of apt directly. That performs a number of tasks, and it runs apt update before installing a package if necessary. To install some useful tools from GitHub, you need Git on your Termux. So type pkg install git. To delete all these text log, just type clean. Now I'm gonna show you cool texts falling like the movie. Type pkg install Cmatrix. Now it's installed. Type Cmatrix. See, that's cool. To cancel, Ctrl+C. Thank you guys. If you want to learn more about Termux and techs, subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video.